Hi, this is Alex from AirChatty CRM, and now I want to talk to you about pipelines. Pipelines are part of the opportunities, and we are going to talk about opportunities at a later date. But for today, I just want to show you how to create pipelines, how to add stages inside a pipeline, how to toggle visibility on and off for funnel and pie charts on dashboard, and how to create multiple pipelines. So from your dashboard at the bottom left, you have settings. You go in settings and you go in pipelines. Then at the top right, you have create new pipeline. Click on that and let's name the first pipeline as sales. Okay, we will have different stages through which we are going to move a particular opportunity in order to qualify them, maybe send them a proposal or offer them and then close them. The first stage for me would be lead. Okay, this person is a lead. It's not somebody that I know. I've identified them from the internet, let's say, and I have their email address from their website, and I also have some other details about them. So it will be a lead. Then I'm going to the next stage where I'm actually contacting them. So contacted, right? So after that, maybe I'm going to offered, yeah, and then maybe I'm going to negotiated, and maybe the last stage is closed. Okay, now you will see on the right side you have some actions. Each particular stage name can be displayed into a pie chart on your dashboard or into a funnel chart on your dashboard. When you will have multiple pipelines and opportunities, these will show in pie or funnel charts on your dashboard. From here, you can choose whether a particular stage into this pipeline should be hidden from your dashboard, or you can choose whether the whole pipeline sales should be hidden from a particular chart, whether it's funnel or pie. And you can also delete the stages right from here. So let's leave it like this from now. And now we have our sales pipeline. All right. Let's say I want to create multiple pipelines. Let's say I want to have a sales pipeline and a support pipeline. So then I can go create new pipeline. I'm going to go support, and maybe here we have open. Okay, then we have working on, and then we have completed. So what does it mean? Let's say I get a support ticket and I want it to be in the open stage initially, and then when I'm starting to work on that support ticket, I'm just dragging it to the working on stage, and when I finished it, I am going to drag it to the completed stage. As this is support and I'm not interested in being displayed on my dashboard, I can switch off these toggles here, and I'm going to click save. And this is how you actually create pipelines. We will discuss more about pipelines and opportunities when we are going to talk about opportunities at large. Thank you very much for watching this, and I'll see you in the next one.